If your coding agent needs Postgres, Redis, a private API, and a long build, the sandbox question is not which one sounds safest. The real question is simpler. Where does the state go after the agent is done? An ephemeral sandbox gives you a clean run, then throws the workspace away. That is useful for isolated tests and untrusted code. But if the agent gets a raw API key and open network access, the secret can still leave before the sandbox disappears. A persistent sandbox solves a different problem. The repo, dependency cache, build output, and local database state can survive across sessions. That is great when a build takes a long time or a human needs to resume the work. It also means old logs, shell history, cache tokens, and half-finished patches need real governance. Claude Managed Agents backed by Versal Sandbox splits the responsibility. Anthropic runs the managed agent session and event stream. Versal runs the execution environment in a short-lived sandbox, with network policy and credential brokering available for private API calls. That split is useful, but it still has a state boundary you have to audit. So the verdict is not ephemeral versus persistent versus managed. The verdict is to match the boundary to the job. Before you trust a repo maintenance agent, ask 5 questions. What persisted? What was deleted? What was logged? What could reach the network? And what credentials entered the agent's world? Watch the full Fluid Coding and AI video for the complete sandbox breakdown.